Today I want to talk about the story of Henrietta Lacks, who was a 30-year-old black woman in 1951 who went to Johns Hopkins to get her cervical cancer treated. So she experienced severe pain in the abdomen and went to Johns Hopkins, which was at that time in the US one of the very few hospitals that offered treatment to a woman of color. So she went there, and the hospital, while trying to treat her, also took the samples from her cervical cancer for studying without informing her, which was standard practice at that time. So the researchers at Johns Hopkins took her cell samples and used it for culture, and they realized that Henrietta Lacks' cells are very, very special. Unlike other specimens they have, her cells could replicate indefinitely at very high speeds in a lab culture cell plate. So they took these cells and they reproduced it and used it for a lot of research purposes even to this day. So her cells are used in researches for AIDS, for cancer, for genomic purposes, polio, and even to test space radiation and the exposure, its effects on human cells. And even after Henrietta Lacks' death, her cells are still being used in science for medical research purposes.